my channel. So last year when I was here, I did a recreating the Rybka Twins Instagram picture. Anyway, it is now a whole year later and I'm only uploading this now because I just got a laptop and I managed to get this footage to be able to edit it. So I hope the whole footage makes sense, and here it is. Bye. So the Rybka Twins were literally here last night and I really wanted to meet them, but I didn't get to. I decided that I am going to recreate their Instagram pictures here in New York City and I'm really excited and hopefully it goes well. So here you go. This is picture number 1 now, just to find where on earth this was taken. This is the pole they took their picture on with that beautiful background. But it's kind of got a fence there now because there's a performance. So maybe this video won't work. I might have to do it on a different pole. I'm sorry, Rybka Twins. I tried my best. So I thought I would wait till later in the night to do it. I've come back at midnight to the same spot. There's a horse and yeah, in the way. And there's still the fence. I've decided I'm going to use these 2 poles instead. It's basically in the same location. The same location is just on the other side of the street, but we can't do it there, so I'm going to give it a shot here. I hope my shoes will survive it because I think they're probably not ideal for it, but let's give it a shot. I don't know where the footage ended up, but here's the picture I got, and then I edited it to duplicate myself to have a twin, and this is what it looked like. And there's them, there's me, and that's how it turned out, and I hope you guys like the final product. We're imitating another picture of theirs. Okay, I think this is where they got the picture, so I need to take my jacket off my shoulders. I'm going to be Sam first. And now I'm being Teagan. I'm going to start out editing. Please get out of my picture. I don't even know how Teagan stands.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can Photoshop that. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to get close to this wall.
Okay.
I realized that Sam's jacket was more like conservative and then Teagan's was fully open. Maybe from that angle over there. So it's like... And Teagan... Okay, I hope that's better. This is what I was going for, but I'm so sorry. My old Photoshop photo is blurry and I don't want to redo it, so that's what it is. On to the next picture. Okay, now I know they did this picture in the daytime, but I'm not Jordan Matter. I can't go stop and no traffic, so we're gonna do this one in the nighttime. I'm at like the crossing where you do the middle split. Ooh, beats. So we're waiting for a taxi to be there and hopefully not many people. And I'm gonna try to recreate this image. Here we go. Hey! Did you get it?
Yeah.
We're not getting hit. So much of this footage is lost and I apologize greatly. Here is my picture that I ended up getting later. Then I photoshopped it, add clothes on myself, duplicated myself, and there's their picture. I think it's kind of similar. The last photo I recreated, I also don't have the footage of, but I've got the picture and the Photoshop thing to duplicate myself. The bag that was on their foot fell down onto my knees, so apologies for that. Guys, so that's the end of the video. I think I did a pretty good job at all that. So right now you're going to see a quick little replay of all the pictures that I managed to get.